How to make this slime? I forgot to say,
First,
add
you're gonna need
detergent.
glue.
Then you need baking powder.
Then you need a bowl to mix with.
So now we are gonna put glue first. Once you add glue, you need to put baking powder in. Now we're just gonna mix. Until it looks like this, add your detergent. Now mixy. When it looks like this, pick it up and knead. If it's too sticky, add more baking powder. Sorry for long wait. And now it's done. Hope you like this tut.